Hey guys, it's Jessica. Today, I'm gonna pretend like it's fall because it may be 85 degrees and also raining, but in my head, it's autumn and I don't care. I know some people get rubbed so, they're like, summer's still here, what are you all doing? I'm like, fall's my favorite time of year. If I would start fall in like July if it were acceptable. Obviously I know it's not fall yet, but I did just get my FabFitFun fall box ahead of the season, which is nice because a lot of times they're like cute fall things to wear and stuff. Anyway, they've been sending this to me for years. They're not paying me to do this video. It's not sponsored, but they do send it to me. I try to be as unbiased as possible, as I've shared with you guys. It's one of my favorite boxes. It has been for years, and I've mentioned this in the last few videos. If they stopped sending it to me, pretty sure I would still buy it because I think you get a lot of value for your money and it's very different. You know, I stopped getting BoxyCharm and Ipsy and all that really just because A, I have enough makeup, B, I'm multidimensional like all of us are, and I don't only want makeup. I like that this comes with all kinds of stuff, skincare, makeup, sometimes like fashion items, accessories, fitness items. I've gotten candles in here, kitchen stuff. It's always really trendy, really cute pieces. And on top of that, I just learned, and I don't know how new this is, that they try to partner with different charities and female-started businesses. And I know that this box in particular, they've worked with a lot of female-started companies, which I just think is cool and empowering. So this is what the box looked like. If you haven't seen my summer unboxing, if you're just curious, you know, generally what do you get? I will link that one. I did it in my backyard and it was so lovely. But today, like I said, it's rainy and there are people working next door and I feel frazzled about it. So here we are. This hoodie, by the way, is like a cropped hoodie I got. It's like one of two items I bought during the Nordstrom anniversary sale. I was so good. I think they still have it. I absolutely love it. It's so cute. I mean, are you kidding me? So I'll link it below here. So this box is $50, but pretty much every influencer has a $10 off code. I have one, it's Jam Beauty. If you wanna use it, don't feel pressured. You certainly don't have to, but it knocks the price down to $40 instead of $50. So keeping in mind, you're getting all of this for 40 bucks and it's usually above a $200 value. It ends up being worth it, undoubtedly. But of course you have to ask yourself, is it all stuff that I'm actually gonna use or not? Now they have recently started making it so that you can actually customize a lot of pieces in your box. It always comes with a really cute magazine. Fun fact, this is Megan Trainor. We were in Disney World last year and she was performing at something and they were recording it that day. And so she was like up on the castle stage and we were walking by and we're like, is that Megan Trainor? Like it was just so cool. In it, it has cute articles. It'll have a lot of things about the items that are in the box and how to style them or how to wear them or how to use them, what the ingredients are. So I love that. The magazine gets better and better every time. So I actually really do like it. So the first thing in here is from Bauble Bar, these ear crawler earrings. So these retail for $34. Bauble Bar, the brand, is more expensive than like the Sugar Fix by Bauble Bar, which is a line they have with Target. These are more expensive. I bought from Bauble Bar's website actually quite a few times and I've never been disappointed with the quality, and they're always really cute and always on the cutting edge of like what's trendy. These are cute. They're supposed to be ear crawlers, so you'd put them in and they would kind of look like they're crawling up your ear, even if you only have like one piercing like me, just the standard one. I never have good luck with earrings like this, so I'll be interested to see. Here, this will be the true test. Earrings are coming out. We're gonna wear these the whole time. We're gonna see if they fall down, because that is why I never end up wearing these when I go out, because I don't want to have to be worried about them all the time. But these are a little bit different of a mechanism than what I'm used to, so maybe it is a little bit stronger. All right, we're gonna leave them alone. We're gonna see how well they last. So the next thing in here is from Amika, which is a hair care brand, and it's a hair straightener. So looking at their magazine, this is the Amika Strand Perfect Ceramic Styler, retails for $80. 100% ceramic plates generate safe and even heat for shiny, smooth hair. So obviously I'm wearing my hair today, kind of not my naturally hair. I heat styled it with like a curling wand, but I do still straighten my hair from time to time when I like have the time. Love the cute color. It's just that really pretty, like almost salmony pinkish peach. One of my favorite colors. It feels really, really nice. I'll have to give this a test, but an $80 straightener, that's pretty sweet. Right away, if you spent $40 on this, you've already made your money back, and then some if you were in need of a straightener. I love that it comes with a little pouch, so if you're traveling with it or if you just like to store it maybe under your sink and in a drawer in a pouch, that's just nice. Okay, this is pretty cool. It's a Kate Spade lunch tote. I'm totally gonna use this as a makeup bag, but it's this like wipeable, you know what I mean? It'd be easy to clean. It says out to lunch really small, and it's got the Kate Spade tag there and a really nice handle on there, gold zippers, but it's literally insulated. It is a lunch tote. If you don't need a lunch tote, this could be really cool for like traveling with skincare or hair care or all of the above, makeup. I think that's really cool. And again, it's a different shape. So And I feel like the extra padding that would traditionally be for insulation is kind of nice to protect your beauty products. So that's actually really cool. The retail price for this is $30. So the next thing is something I use every time I get out of the shower, a hair towel. The brand is After Spa and it retails for $18. So I'm really a fan of the Kitsch brand of these. I actually just bought another one. I buy them on Amazon. I can link them below, but this is the exact same mechanism. It feels a little bit thinner than that one, maybe not as well made, but again, it would still get the job done, you know, dry your hair, but it's got a button there. And so you flip your hair under, put it on, and then there's a little loop, an elastic loop that you would attach on top of your head. So I love hair towels. I travel with them, and maybe because this is thinner, maybe this can be one that I always travel with, because I feel silly packing something like this, but because I'm so used to using it, it's so nice to be in the hotel and not have to have like a giant towel on my head while I'm trying to do other stuff. It's nice to have something like this, and it doesn't take up a ton of room because it is so thin. So I mean, I'll definitely use it, but I think that's how I'm gonna use it. I'm gonna put it with my travel stuff. Next thing in there, I've seen these all over the place. It's this Harper and Ari exfoliating sugar cubes. These retail for $16, and it says they are a great way to exfoliate and nourish your skin in the shower, all while leaving a yummy scent. Oh wow, to be honest, I really wanna bite into one of these real bad, and I know that they're not edible, but they have a very strong kind of melony scent. It says, take a single cube with you in the shower or bath and gently massage over wet skin, concentrating on rough patches. Use it twice a week or whenever you need extra pampering. So that's kind of cute. Something kind of trendy, and you know, but I have seen these all over Instagram, so I am kind of excited to give them a try. So this next product is from Human Plus Kind, Skincare with a Conscience. It is their body souffle. It's vegan and cruelty-free. It retails for $18, but it's like a full, almost 7-ounce size. It says it's lightly whipped for the ultimate in kindness. It's a 2-in-1 light and fluffy body souffle. Quickly absorbs to your skin, leaves it feeling super moisturized and soft to the touch. I don't love body butters the way I used to, like thick body butters, because they take forever to blend in. Ooh, this is a nice scent. I can't put my finger on what it is that it smells like. It's a natural scent, but a good one. You know what I mean? This is the kind of thing I could see myself leaving like in my nightstand to just throw on my hands at night, throw on like the bottom of my legs can get really, really dry as the weather starts changing into fall weather here in a little while. Like I said, it's still warm out here, but I feel like that'll be really nice to help keep that moisture in my skin. So the next thing is from the brand Aveda, which is a really nice like salon hair care brand. It retails for $30. It's their Damage Remedy Daily Hair Repair. Ooh, I'm excited. I've only tried literally one Aveda product, and it's their volumizing spray. And I actually sprayed it in my hair today. You spray it on your wet hair, and so then as you're blow drying, and it does make a slight difference. I don't think it's revolutionary, but it definitely gives a little bit more volume up at the root. Do I think I'll buy it again? Probably not. I think it's one of those extra steps I'm doing that makes a little bit of a difference, but not enough that it's worth spending the $30 on it. But this, it says, shake well, work a small amount of product in hands and apply through damp hair and then comb it. It's a leave-in treatment. Ooh. My husband's gonna want this. He loves leave-in conditioners. He feels like they make a big difference in his hair, which I totally get. It sounds looser, more liquidy than maybe you would guess, but it just has like kind of a gel cream-like texture. Definitely has a strong, again, kind of herbal scent. No big deal, but it's definitely there. I get my hair trimmed every 8 weeks, and I'm getting towards the end of it. And you start to notice, you know, little bits of breakage. So this would be really nice to like leave in this last week or two before I get all the dead ends cut off. This next one is from Aromatherapy Associates London. It's their Deep Relax Roller Ball. Retails for $29. I know like some people are all about essential oils, some people are not. For me, I enjoy them from time to time. I don't spend an arm and a leg on them, but we have a few diffusers we'll use from time to time. And I do actually have a couple of roller balls. Like I have one more for like focused energy here, like at my desk where I edit and work. And then I actually have a relaxing one in my nightstand. So when that one's used up, this is gonna go in next. But especially if I'm having trouble sleeping or I just feel stressed, I'll put a little bit of this on, and it just, you know, the scents can kind of relax you. That's all that was in my box. I customized mine. And so they've made it so that there are more options for any member to be able to customize. Whereas before you had to be like a select member where you pay more each box to be able to customize it even further. But this time you really had a lot of choices. I think it's the only subscription box I still get, and a lot of the other boxes were sent to me in PR, and I just put a stop to them because I wasn't enjoying them. This one I do enjoy. It's 4 times a year, every season. The summer one was lovely. The spring one was lovely. The fall and winter ones I always end up loving even more, but to be honest, this was really nice and I liked all the items, but I didn't get an overwhelming like fall feeling. I feel like in the fall one, there should always be like a cute coffee mug and a candle and like things like that, but that's just me putting my own spin on things, you know what I mean? But that's what would be in it if it were my box. Okay, I hope you enjoyed. Like I said, if you're interested in checking out FabFitFun, you want that $10 off promo code, it is Jam Beauty. I'll have all of that information in a link down below. Don't feel pressured. Thank you, FabFitFun, for sending this to me every single time. I'm still enjoying it. And if you did enjoy this video, please help me out. Give it a thumbs up, subscribe, comment below about what your favorite item was, if you've ever tried FabFitFun, if there's another subscription box out there you think I should try or that I might like that's maybe similar to this. And other than that, I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye.